Making $1 million in just 1 year is a tantalizing prospect, and it is no wonder why it is a topic that fascinates so many people. The idea of achieving financial freedom in such a short span of time is incredibly appealing, especially for those who are struggling to make ends meet or are simply looking to upgrade their lifestyle. When it comes to making $1 million quickly, there are a lot of misconceptions and myths that get in the way of people's success. One of the biggest misconceptions is that making $1 million fast is easy, that it is just a matter of getting lucky or finding the right get rich quick scheme. But the truth is, it takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and the right strategies to achieve this kind of financial success. Another common pitfall is that people often think they need to be a genius or have some kind of special talent to make $1 million. But the reality is, ordinary people from all walks of life have made their fortune through simple yet effective strategies. The problem is, most people lack the discipline and patience to stick to their plans and see them through to the end. The reality is, making $1 million quickly requires a fundamental shift in mindset. It requires you to think big, to be willing to take calculated risks, and to be open to new opportunities and experiences. It also requires you to be brutally honest with yourself about your strengths and weaknesses, and to be willing to put in the effort to learn and improve. So, what are the strategies that have actually worked for people who have made $1 million in a year? Well, there are many different approaches, but some common ones include entrepreneurship, investments, and side hustles. For example, some people have made their fortune by creating and selling online courses, while others have invested in real estate or the stock market, and then there are those who have built successful businesses through sheer hard work and determination. One of the most inspiring stories I have come across is that of a young entrepreneur who built a successful e-commerce business from scratch, selling products on Amazon and other platforms. He didn't have any special training or experience, but he was willing to put in the effort to learn and adapt. And within a year, he was making over $1 million in revenue. So, what is the turning point that is required to achieve this kind of financial success? For me, it's all about adopting a growth mindset and being willing to take action. When you start to believe in yourself and your abilities, and you are willing to put in the effort to learn and improve, that is when the magic happens. But making $1 million in a year isn't just about the money, it's about the transformation that occurs within you as you work towards your goal. It's about developing a sense of confidence and self worth and realizing that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. In summary, making $1 million in a year is a challenging goal, but it is definitely achievable with the right approach. It requires a shift in mindset, a willingness to take calculated risks, and a commitment to putting in the effort to learn and improve. So don't be discouraged by the naysayers. Believe in yourself, and you will be amazed at what you can achieve. So, what do you think? Can you really make $1 million in just 12 months? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video for more tips on achieving financial freedom. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more content on making money, saving money, and achieving financial success.